interested in the designs of the previous pictures? Today, I want to recommend this nice product to you. Firstly, you can see this product have a series of designs, but the common point of them is that their lamp body are the same. For the lamp body, it is made of aluminum and acrylic materials. And you can also see that here also have a small part of acrylic. So when we open the switch, the light will bright through these two parts and will be really nice effect. And you can also see that here have so many rims. They are respectively sand gold, sand silver, chrome, and golden color. We also have so many other colors for you to choose. You can match the color by yourself. Sand black and sand gold, sand black and sand silver. You can also choose the color of the whole lamp by yourself. It depends on you. Finally, let me show you the lighting effect of this product. You can see the lighting effect. It is really beautiful and the light can bright through these two parts. And it can be used in the ceiling or on the wall in your house. This panel type is mainly used in the ceiling in your house. Do you like these designs? I'm waiting for your inquiries and welcome to contact UR Lighting. See you next time.